Scones with baking soda. Put the flour, egg, baking soda, salt, yoghurt, milk and butter in a mixing bowl and knead until you get a smooth dough. Place the dough onto a floured work surface and roll out to a thickness of about 15 mm. Cover a baking tray with greaseproof paper. Use a cutter or glass rim to cut the pastry into rounds and place them on the tray. Bake for 20 minutes in an oven preheated to 180 degrees centigrade until the scones are golden brown on top. Remove from the oven and place in a serving dish. Serve with the labneh and jam or any topping of your choice.